Good morning, class. So, let us start off with the next topic. So, previously we were talking about the different types of entrepreneurs. So, we'll be continuing with the extension of the same topic. We'll be dividing now the entrepreneurs on the basis of the type of business they are conducting or they are undergoing. So, when it comes to a business entrepreneur, it means any entrepreneur who deals with bringing up a new, different kind of a product or a service, or those who come up with altogether a different organization to materialize a first-time idea. Okay, and introduces the new idea into the market is called a business entrepreneur. Then you have the trading entrepreneur. So what do you mean by trade? If you're able to recall from the business studies video, trading means exchange of you buy goods and you sell it off. So that is what trade is. There is an exchange of goods and services, right? So now these trading activities can be within the geographical boundaries of a country, or it can be overseas. So those entrepreneurs who deal with trading activities are called trading entrepreneurs. Next comes your industrial entrepreneur. So some entrepreneurs are specifically into producing and providing services that have a specific demand within the market. Okay, and that uses a specific kind of technology within the market. So these kind of entrepreneurs are called industrial entrepreneurs. Say for example, automobile industry. All right. Then comes corporate entrepreneurs. So corporate entrepreneurs bring out a different a type of service, that is they provide skill based services to the market, or they provide skill based services within the market, and they try to control a different altogether a different corporate in a very specific manner. So usually what they do is they try to carry out the corporate functions of different other organizations, so or particularly of an industry or as such. So that is called a corporate entrepreneur. Then here you have the agricultural entrepreneur. So these entrepreneurs are dealing with activities that are specialized in the agricultural field. So they are more of of agricultural produce, or maybe say fertilizers and manures, that is strictly for agricultural purpose, or developing of new different types of agricultural techniques, or say maybe machines, or different kinds of facilities such as irrigation facilities or sowing facilities, etc. Then when it comes to the use of technology, entrepreneurs can be divided into technical and non-technical entrepreneur. So the technical entrepreneurs, they try to develop and bring in new or different goods and services with their particular knowledge and specializations. When it comes to non-technical entrepreneurs, they are usually dealing with distribution and marketing strategies, or say marketing activities. So that is how they promote their business, and they do not look into the technical requirements of any businesses, or they do not look into the technical requirements of any product or service. Then comes professional entrepreneurs. So they try to, what these entrepreneurs do is that they try to establish business entrepreneurs, and they sell it off once they are on a fully flourishing manner. So these entrepreneurs are particularly not interested in managing particular operations, or the different business activities. All they do is they establish the business enterprises and they sell it off. Then comes motivational entrepreneurs. Then there are spontaneous entrepreneurs on the basis of motivation. There are induced entrepreneurs, or there are motivated entrepreneurs as well. So who are spontaneous entrepreneurs? So these are entrepreneurs who are completely motivated for their self, that is they need to become an entrepreneur and they need to be different within the market, and it's like I need to prove myself within the market. I am a businessman, I'm a very good businessman, and I need to prove it. And usually these entrepreneurs are very much creative in nature. So these kind of entrepreneurs are called spontaneous entrepreneurs. They already have the aim of becoming an entrepreneur. Then you have induced entrepreneurs. So Induced entrepreneurs usually come up due to the different supports that is being provided to them, or for providing different facilities to people who need to set up different entrepreneurs. Sometimes you would have heard of how governmental agencies support give financial support, or say other technological support for people who want to bring up new enterprises. So that is what is called induced entrepreneurs. Then you have motivated entrepreneurs. So these entrepreneurs, they try to use their skill set for that particular job or any project they have. So they're ambitious, and they are not very happy with their jobs. So they come into or they try to become entrepreneurs mainly because they are not happy in in doing the usual day-to-day work. All right, they like to do or bring about new different changes, and to carry out different marketing activities. So that is what is called a motivated entrepreneurs. Then we have another category of entrepreneurs: the first generation, inherited, or second generation, and the third generations. So it's like the first generations are purely of innovation. So they combine different kind of technologies that is available to bring out different products and services for the society. Then you have the second generation. So these entrepreneurs become entrepreneurs by inheritance. So you would have heard of family businesses, right? So that comes as second generation entrepreneurs. Then you have the third generation. So again, these entrepreneurs are it's like they have inherited businesses from years, and it is a very common practice that is found in India. You would have heard of different organizations as such, and you have some tasks based on that. You'll have to do that. So please read through the textbook, and let us go for that topic. All right, so if at all there are any doubts, please feel free to come and have a chat with me. All right, will be available. Thank you, class.